My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are coming from the website News-keheza.cc. Actually, these are fake human verification alerts that now target the majority of popular browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other popular browsers too. But mainly they target the browsers in Windows computers. It is extremely dangerous for people to interact with these pop-ups, and they try to make you subscribed to the push notifications by displaying pretty misleading messages. Here it says that you need to tap the allow button to verify that you are not a robot. But clicking on the allow button is definitely a serious mistake that would immediately lead to a lot of problems. Your browser may be hijacked and infected, and you will be forwarded to some other questionable content. Plus, you may start facing a lot of annoying advertisement banners displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your Windows computer screen. So to fix these issues, you need to immediately implement some manual steps. Go to the menu of your browser, go to Settings, then scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. While you are in Permissions, choose Notifications and carefully examine the list of the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So you will find this News-keheza.cc. Click on this associated button and remove it from the list. This should fix the problem, but I also recommend you to research your computer additionally with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the official page combocleaner.com, download the software and start carefully examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode. Even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected. And then at the end of scan, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threats with the premium version of the program or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.